Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ali Pariandika. I am from class 4C. In this video, I will complete my mid test about to analyze the edge breaking with a view to second language acquisition theory. But with the first step, we need to collecting pro and contra arguments. The first pro argument is immersive method. Edge breaking often assert that their approach emulates the immersion method through which children learn their first language. This argument suggests that engaging in authentic listening and speaking situation can expedite language acquisition for learners. 2. Communicative approach. The program highlights the use of language in everyday, pertinent situation, showing the communicative approach often employed in language teaching. This approach is claimed to enhance speaking and listening skill effectively by prioritizing language function in authentic communication context. Number 3, multi-sensory support. Incorporating audio, video, and text in learning is believed to cater to different learning styles such as auditory, visual, and kinesthetic. This aligns with Howard Gardner theory of multiple intelligence, which posits that individuals learn the desired methods, and utilizing multiple modalities can enrich comprehension. And the next contra-arguments. The first, lack of formal structure. The primary critique is that methodologies such as edge breaking frequently lack formal structure and systematic learning approach. According to some experts, formal learning is crucial for grasping the underlying role of language. Number 2, limited direct interaction. Language learning is significantly shaped by reciprocal interaction between learners and native speakers. Approach such as edge breaking might not offer sufficient opportunities for authentic interaction and immediate feedback, elements deemed crucial for second language acquisition according to interactionist theory. Number 3, generalist method. Edge breaking might use a method that is too general without considering individual learners. Research indicates that second language learners benefit from personalized learning strategies tailored to their proficiency level and preferred learning style. Step 2, connecting argument with the second language acquisition theory. The first, social cultural theory with the pro arguments. ABF English breaking argues that through repetition of model target language, the learners will slowly achieve speaking fluency like the native speaker. Probably, the learning is intended to follow the first language acquisition by babies. However, this idea seems to simply be a complex process. And the contra-arguments, actual interaction is very important element in a language acquisition. Babies with delayed speech or iTunes are those who lack of language experience in actual social interaction. So, to get the speaking competence like a native speaker, the language learner Learner probably must do a lot of practice of real English conversation with real native speakers rather than memorizing it from taped conversation which they may never encounter that the exchange in their actual conversation. And the next theory is multiple intelligence theory by Gardner, with the pro arguments using various medias, audio, visual, kinesthetic support different learning style, which can engage language acquisition. With contra arguments relying too heavily on one modality or not providing sufficient variety in materials might neglect individual needs to that have dominant intelligence. And the last conclusion, two of the techniques to learn English via the ink breaking techniques are reasonable in developing in the speaking skill, but rather impossible to achieve a native speaker's proficiency. Deep listening as the first step of learning is widely agreed as an ideal start of learning speaking in the target language, but the non-native learners need specific help to recognize sounds which are probably not present in their first language during deep listening. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.